Hey Nagios Community, Benjamin here, and this video is all about support. When it comes to our IT professions, access to support resources is critical, and we want to make sure that you are getting the absolute most out of your Nagios XI deployment and the rest of the Core Services platform. I'm going to share with you 4 key resources available to the community right away, plus some additional options if you're in a commercial environment and you prefer to have a dedicated support package. If you're ready, let's dig in. All right, our first stop on the support bandwagon here is Nagios.org. This is where you'll find the first 2 key resources. From the home page, scroll halfway down and you'll see this text box entry under Get Monitoring Fast and Stay on Top of Critical Updates. Enter your email here, check these boxes, and Nagios will send you news and updates about the software and the company, but also valuable how-tos and resource links. Confirm you're not a robot and hit submit. Then in a couple minutes, you go to your email and you'll see a welcome from the Nagios team. All right, so now we got our first support resource locked in. Let's move on to the next one. Go back to the Nagios.org page and you'll see at the top a link called Forum. This is where you access the Nagios Community Forum. Click on that and you'll start to see posts from other users just like you who have questions about Nagios Core Services Platform, Nagios XI, or various plugins and components. The Nagios community has been building and tinkering for 25 years with their IT infrastructure, both at home and at the enterprise level. So this is where you can engage with each other, as well as our support team is in here as well, offering great tips and resources to make sure that you are getting the most out of your deployment. I recommend registering right away. Click on register here on the page, enter your username, and then your email. Check the box agreeing that you're going to get a password in your email, and then that password link will be sent to your email within a few moments. Click that link, change your password, then go back to Nagios.org, and then you can click on login and start posting as you need. Okay, so now we move on to number 3. Number 3 is great because it's all about documentation. This is the Knowledgebase. And I actually found out about this particular Knowledgebase through the email list that I signed up for in step 1. But you can also access it by going to support.nagios.com/kb. Now, here is the Nagios Support Knowledgebase. It's got resources, documentation, how-tos, jumpstart guides for all of our products. I recommend checking out the jumpstart guide for XI. Click on Jumpstart Guides on the left, and then find the product called Nagios XI, and then you'll see documents 0, 1, 2, 3 about installing XI, offline installs, setting up emails for notifications, dashboards, adding hosts and services, everything. So this is a massively wonderful resource for you to have at your side as you go on your monitoring journey. Okay, the 4th resource is my personal favorite, and that's our YouTube channel, where we post all of our best content of Nagios tutorials, interviews with IT professionals, best practice concepts, and announcements, and some other fun videos. Check out youtube.com/Nagios video. You'll see we have playlists upon playlists on everything from get monitoring for your first time with XI, how to do Windows monitoring, how SNMP monitoring works in general and also within XI, and other products as well. If you're monitoring logs or fusing all the different products together with Fusion or Network Analyzer, it's all in here. So I definitely recommend subscribing and then checking out all the content. We post regularly on there and is probably our most valuable, in my opinion, the most valuable support resource we have aside from our technical support team. And that reminds me, if you're in a commercial environment and you want to have dedicated access to our support team, upgrade your CSP license for a ridiculously low price, and you'll have access to our private Discord where you can engage with other users, but also our support team. Also, if you're in a commercial environment and you really need a dedicated support package, go to Nagios.com and you'll see down here at the very bottom under services and support, we have a support plan link. You click on that and you can reach out to us and tailor a support plan that makes sense for you and your company. Contact sales@nagios.com, give us a phone call, 888-NAGIOS1, and you can purchase or inquire about getting a support plan right away and have that direct access to our US-based support team. Okay, so that was 6 great resources. We got the emails, we did the community forum on nagios.org, we did the Knowledgebase, YouTube channel, and also for the commercial users, the Discord and the dedicated service plans. So, you're ready to keep going. Don't let me hold you back any longer. Go out there and get monitoring. And if after step 4 you still haven't subscribed to this channel, I don't know what I can do to convince you, but we're here for you at any time. Thank you so much for being such a valuable part of the Nagios community. We'll hope to see you in the forum. Cheers.